quickly move on to the module. This is an interesting module wherein I speak about three critical things that you can use using the power of social media. And we will go slowly so that you get it right. And these are very simple and easy tips. If you use them and follow them step by step, you will see changes happening in the way people are responding to you very, very quickly. So let me just quickly share my screen and let me get on to social response formula. So first, we are talking about C-level engagement, which is how do you connect with senior people on LinkedIn. So if you feel that you have sent a connection request and then you send a direct message, hi sir, how are you, hi ma'am, how are you, and you send your resume and stuff like that, it will not gonna work. See, these are very high end people, these are very busy people. If you can activate them, they are difficult to activate, but if you can activate them, imagine CEO of a company, if forwards your resume within the company to the hiring manager, imagine the kind of response you can have for that specific position. Or if the CEO of the company or the COO or CFO, whosoever senior level person in the organization forwards your resume within their network, imagine the kind of response you can have. So this is a little difficult, this will take time, but once it gets activated, you will see tremendous results happening for you. So first thing what you have to do while you are engaging with C level executives, you first of all don't have to start engaging on direct messages with them. You read through the posts that they have been putting in, or they have been liking, or they have been commenting, or the groups that they are following, and then you engage through these posts with them. So if they have commented something, you like the idea, you like the post, then you start responding to those posts, start getting involving in those posts. You don't have to directly respond to them, you can just simply respond to that post that it's an interesting post, I like this, share something which you like, etc., etc. Start engaging through post, and you have to do it over multiple posts, and you have to grow it before you directly connect with them. Imagine you have done it for a couple of posts and there is a good equation between you and the person you want to interact with. Then you connect with them over LinkedIn with a direct connect, and maybe you can drop them a simple message that uh, that I really like the way you have been posting, or I really like the comments that you have been posting on specific post, or I really liked your views on this post, something like that. You have to engage them apart from the fact that you are approaching them for a job related opportunity, right? Or maybe if you have written something, you can share it with them and say that I really liked your views on those posts, I have written something fantastic, it would be really helpful if you could have a quick look at it and share your feedback with me, right? So that's how you engage with senior level people. And then once you feel that the equation has developed and you feel that now you follow a little connect with the person you are interacting with, then you can share your video resume with them. But even in sharing your video resume, there is an art to it. There are two steps you have to do, which is, one, you can tell them that sir, it's great that we have been connected over the last couple of weeks, I am anyways looking for some opportunities in CRM or in marketing. I have created a quick 2 minutes video resume, I thought it would be really great if I could share it with you to have your feedback on how it has come up. Or also to explore that, if in case you have any such opportunities in your marketing team, it will be an honor to work in a team which is led by you. Or in case you can share it within your network, so that I'm sure that can create a lot of opportunities for me. So you have to send your video resume with a context that I am sharing it with you because I am looking for a feedback, one. Second, I'm looking for an opportunity to work along with you, because working with you gonna be a great honor for me. Third, in case, it would be really, really great if you can share this within your network. I'm sure if you share it within your network, I'm sure there could be a lot of doors that can open for me. So something like that you have to do. You can't just send direct resume that I'm looking for a job, right? So that's there. Then second thing that we are talking about is your direct messaging strategy. What is direct messaging strategy? So let's say there is somebody who has an opportunity. There is a job posting with this person. Let's say he has put in some post. How do you directly message them? Let me tell you what do you exactly do over here. First of all, direct message should never be direct. You can't be really direct in your approach in reaching this person, because there are thousand people who are already sending him or her their resume over the message, because he or she has put in a post about a job opportunity, or he or she has a job opportunity which, the way many people would also know. So direct message should never be direct. What do you do over here? First of all, you create a contextual message and you attach your video resume along with that contextual message, and then you send it to the person. What is this contextual message? I'm giving you one sample. This shows that you are really concerned about the person. You really understand that the person is very busy, and that is why you are sending a quick video resume and offering a quick 10 minutes call for further discussion. Look at it. You can create your own templates, but this template works wonders for me. Guys, you should change the content, the words that I am using, but the overall context of the message should be on these lines. Look at this message. Dear Amit, I was going through your posts and I really appreciate the way you have shared recent job postings. You are truly helping people when they really need it. Much appreciated effort. I can completely understand the number of messages and emails you might be getting, and hence I thought that instead of loading you with another resume, let me give you a quick 2 minutes video resume, and I have created it specifically for you. This will provide you a quick glance about my profile, and then we can connect over a quick 5 minutes to 10 minutes call to discuss further. I can be reached at this number. Let me know at what number and what time I can reach you to discuss forward. So guys, do you see a difference in sending? So let's say there is a post wherein somebody has posted a job posting. There are 200 people replying on that post, I am interested, and attaching their resume. Same 200 people are sending them messages and similar kind of messages. But suddenly, if your message comes like this, that you are concerned about the person, and since you are concerned, that's the reason you have created a very quick resume for video resume for them, and you are sharing it and proposing a 5 minute call. I understand that within 200 messages there are chances that the person might not even see this message, which is something that we will cover in the next slide. But assuming if he sees, now imagine whom he will respond. Would he respond to this message, or would he respond to somebody writing, I am interested in this profile, here is my resume? Right? So when you are looking for help, you have to show real concern for the people. So that's how your direct messaging strategy should be. Third thing, how do you engage on posts like these, wherein you see 200 people suddenly responding? There are 5 ways to engage on these posts, and I'm sure over a period of time many of these will start working for you. Number one, you do what you are right now doing, reply on that post. So if that post says fill this Excel file with your resume with your strengths and we will get back to you, do that. If that post says that just mail your resume at this email ID, do that. That's a standard thing that all the people are doing. You should also do. At times it might also work. Second thing, follow the direct message strategy, which is what we just discussed in the last slide. Send a contextual message along with your video resume. So contextual message I have showed you in the last slide. Similar kind of contextual message along with your resume, you can do a direct message to that person. Third thing, and this is really important, route reference through your common connects. So if you see that you and that person have some common connects, you approach your common connects and request them that, hey Mohit, I see we have a common connect called Raghu, and he has recently posted an opportunity for sales and marketing, and I think I can really add value to this profile. There are so many people responding to Raghu, and I didn't want to bother him this way. I would require your help if you could just send this video resume along with the message which I have specifically written for Raghu to him. I'm sure if it goes from you, it Raghu will definitely respond to it. So one strategy is this: you figure out five, whatever five, six, two, three, whatever number of common connects you have, and wherever you have a strong connection with that common connect, route it through that. Second thing that you do, and this also works a lot of times. Second thing is, when you see somebody has posted this kind of job, you connect with other employees within their organization. And there are two reasons to it. One, most of the organization have reference campaigns running within the organization. So if somebody is referring you and you get shortlisted, that somebody will get the money. Second, if somebody from the organization is referring you to the hiring manager, reference works really great, and there is a trust which automatically gets built, and there is also a commitment which automatically gets built, that hiring manager will not just ignore you. He or she will respond something to their employees at least, right? So how do you do that? You just get connected with the other employee in the organization and send them again a contextual message with your video resume that, hi Vijay, I got connected with you. I really appreciate that you accepted my connection. Let me tell you what the reason why I connected with you is: there is an opportunity within your organization, and I know there are 200, 300 people who are responding to that opportunity, which if I do will not yield any result. But if you could share my resume with the concerned hiring person, I would be highly obliged if you do that. And that is why what I have done, I have sent you a very quick 2-minute video resume along with this message, so that you can just forward it and let's see if they respond. By the way, this is my number. I'm happy to have a quick 5 minutes to 10 minutes call with you, so that one, we get to know each other a little better. Second, you also have a context about my background and my experience before sharing my video resume to your hiring manager. Thank you so much. So that's how you create engagement on post, which any which ways have lot of people responding. That's how you make your connection and your approach unique, right? So that's about it in this module, guys, and I really want you to write in the comment box if this is something that you liked, if this is something which is helpful. I want you to start trying some of these tricks and tactics, especially the one which is a contextual message and your video resume. Then you should start start engaging with people on post through your common connects or through their organizational employees, and then you gradually and slowly move on to creating that comment with the C-level executives. I will see you in the next module. Thank you so much for your time.